Good morning students. Today we will discuss playing with numbers. In the playing with numbers we have factors, multiples, prime factorization, prime numbers, composite numbers, LCM and HCF, test of divisibility. We have so many topics. On that first we will discuss about factor. Okay, what is the factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Actually, for example, I am taking a number 6. We can write 6 is equal to 1 into 6. Means 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Means 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Means these 4 numbers, means in 1 table and 2 table and 3 table and 6 table is in 6. Otherwise these 4 numbers, the 6 is divisible by these 4 numbers. 6 is divisible by these 4 numbers. That's why these 4 numbers are called 1, 2, 3, 6 are called factors of 6. Factors of 6. Factors of 6. See here, once again I repeat. Here we can write 6, 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6 into 1. Like that, this 1 and 2 and 3 and 6. Out of these 4 numbers, any number also, okay, each and every number, then 6 is divisible by these 4 numbers. That's why these 4 numbers are called factors of 6. Factors of 6. Like that, for example, to find factors of 12, factors of 12 is equal to, we can write 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, like that 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 6 into 2 is equal to 12 and 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Okay, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Up to here observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Half of the factors, within half of the factors we will get total number of factors. Within half of the factors we will get total number of factors. Why? Because then should multiply, which number is multiplying the another number also is factor of the particular given number. Means what are the factors? Factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. In case factors of 9 is equal to, just guess, means 9 is in which table? Otherwise 9 is divisible by which numbers? 1 table is there, means is divisible by 1 and 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Like that, factors of 7 factors of 7 is equal to, 7 is divisible by which numbers? Only one table, otherwise only one number and 7. And see here factors of 12, total how many factors is 1 2 3 4 6 12, total 6 factors are there. Like the factors of 9, 3 factors are there. Like the factors of 7, only we have 2 factors. Each and every number, whatever it is, minimum the number of factors is 2. Minimum the number of factors is 2. And the minimum the 2 factors are compulsory. First factor is number 1 and another factor is compulsory itself. Remaining more than 2 also is possible, but each and every number is minimum 2 factors. See here 7 is having only 2 factors. One factor is exactly 1 more factor is itself. Means we are taking 7, that's why factor also 7. Means 7 is divisible by only 1 and 7. But here 9 is having 3 factors. Here 12 is having 6 factors. Like that, so many numbers is they are having different number of factors. Next, multiple. What is the meaning of multiple? First, here 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Just I am taking 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then 4 is one factor, 3 is one factor, and 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. Multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is the multiple of 4 will come and multiple of 3 also. That's why generally this is the definition. A number is a multiple each of its factor. A number is a multiple each of its factors. Each of its factors means, for example, we can write 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then 12 is the multiple of 4 and 12 is the multiple of 3 also will come. Then 12 is a multiple, 4 is the factor of 12, 3 is the factor of 12. From this we can write 4 is a factor of 12. 12 is a multiple of 4. 12 is a multiple of 4. This is the multiple and the factor. Some more multiples we will observe. Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 is equal to, multiples of 5 just should multiply the natural numbers, each and every natural numbers with 5. Means 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4 and so on. Means 5, 10, 15, 20. These are multiples of 5. These are multiples of 5. Okay. Multiples is nothing but is multiplying the each and any number, not only 1 2 3 4, is any multiplying any number. The multiple of two, the product of two numbers will get result. The result is a multiple of those two numbers. For example, 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Then 21 is multiple of 7. 21 is multiple of 3. Okay, 21 is multiple of 7, 21 is multiple of 3. We have to read like this. Okay, and 7 is the factor of 21 and 3 also factor of 21. Okay, some rules are there, some points, important points is there related to multiples and factors. Then the first point is 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, 1 is a factor of any number. I have to take any one number, 7 or 6 or 10, whatever it is. These all numbers is divisible by 1. That's way 1 is a factor of every number. For example, see 7, we can write 1 into 7, 10. You can write 1 into 10, 6. We can write 1 into 6. That's why 1 is the common factor of each and every number. Include 1 is a factor of 1 also. 1 is a factor of 1 also. Next, second one. Every number is a factor of itself. Is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. How like? Means, see for example, 2 is equal to 1 into 2, otherwise 2 into 1 we can write. Like that, 4 is equal to 1 into 4 and 2 into 2 and 4 into 1. Okay. Then I will write factors only. Factors of 2 is equal to 1 and 2. Factors of 4 is equal to 1, 2, 4. Factors of 9 is equal to 1, 3, 9. Factors of 7 is equal to 1, 7. See, here observe each and every number is the factor of itself. Here 2 the factors of 2 is the one of the factor. The factors of 4 is one of the factor. The factors of 9 is the one of the factor. 7 also one of the factor. And 1 is the common factor of each and every number. Already we completed first point. Okay, this is the example. Next, what is the third point? Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Already we say every factor of a number is exact that number. For example, take 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The factors of 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Already we know that 2 into 3, I am taking just one factor. The factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Here 2 is one of the factor, 3 also one of the factor. Then 6 is divisible by these factors without remainder. Without remainder, exactly divisible by these numbers. That's why every factor of a number is exactly divisor of that number. For example, here 2 is the perfect factor of 6. Why? Because is operate 6 is divided by with 2 will get remainder is 0, and same as 6 is divided by with divided by 3 will get answer remainder is 0. That's every number, every factor. If the factor means is exactly divisible, is not divisible means that is not a factor. Is a factor means exactly divisible, that is not a factor means that is not divisible. Next, fourth point, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Okay, we'll take example, one more example. Example, what are the example? Which number you want to take? 15 I will take. Example 15. What are the factors of 15? Factors of 15 is equal to 1 compulsory, and after 3 table, and after 5, after 15. Why? Because 15 is divisible by 1 and 3 and 5 and 15. Okay, in that first of all take the first factor. What is the 1? 1 is always less than the 15. Okay, 3 also less than the 15, 5 also less than the 15, and 15 is equal to the 15. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given factor. And one more important point is that, see, observe, the factors is limited. And one more thing, the factors, not only, one more example take it, factors of 6 take it. 1, 2, 3, 6. Every factor, that's 1, 2, 3 is less than 6 and 6 is equal to 6. Okay, these are the points. Some more points are there. Students, next class we will continue the remaining 4 points, and the 4 points I will repeat once again. One is the factor of every number. Why? Because each and every number is divisible by, each and every number is divided by with 1. That's why 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Why? Compulsory. Any number is divisible itself. Okay, every factor of a number, that is exact divisor of that number. For example, one factor is there, then any number is exactly divisible by the particular number, then the number is a factor. Is not a factor, that is not divisible. That's why every factor is less than or equal to the given number. We have so many factors of a number, each and every factor is equal, otherwise less than. Is not will come greater than. That is the wrong. A compulsory each and every factor will be less, only one factor is equal. What is that one factor? Itself. Which number we are taking, that number will come the last, that is equal, remaining all factor will be less. Okay, next class we will continue some more points about multiples. Okay.